All right, in this video, we are going to find the percent increase or decrease. Now, when you're finding percent increase or decrease here, you're doing the same exact thing, so it doesn't really matter whether it's an increase or decrease. So we're going to follow this, a pretty simple formula here, and that is we're going to take the change, and we're going to divide that by the original, and we're going to then multiply that by 100. Now, that might not make sense yet, but let's try to make it make sense. So, we have this problem here. It says, during the 2015 season, Tom scored 55 points for his basketball team. In 2016, he scored 72 points. What was the percent change? So obviously the percent change would be an increase in this case because he went from 55 to 72 points. So the first thing I want to do is I want to find the change. How much did, what was the change of the number of points? So the one thing I could do is I know that in 2016 he scored 72 and 2015 he scored 55. Well, to find the change, I'm just finding the difference. I can just do 72 minus 55. And 72 minus 55 will give us 17. So the change is 17. All right? Now, we have to now divide that by the original amount. Well, the original amount is the first time, the first statistic here. So the first thing we have the 2015 season and the 2016 season. So in this case, the original number is the one from 2015. So we put that over 55. Okay? So we do 17 divided by 55, and then we just multiply that by 100. Because again, if I do 17 divided by 55, that just gives me a decimal. When I multiply it by 100, it becomes a percent. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's do 17 divided by 55. That equals this. Then we multiply that by 100, and we get 30.9%. So let's go ahead and write that as 31%. If we round it to the nearest percent, that's going to be 31%. All right, and that's how we find the percent increase or decrease. Now again, let's just look at the same exact problem. We can change it around. Let's just say that in 2015, he scored 55 points, but now let's say in 2016, he only scored 40 points. All right, so I'm going to do the same exact process. I'm going to find the change. I'm going to divide that by the original and multiply by 100. So here we go. The change from 2015 to 2016 was going to be 15. 55 minus 40 is 15. I divide that by the original amount, which again is the 2015 amount, which is 55, and then I'm going to multiply that by 100. So let's see what we have. We're going to do 15 divided by 55 equals times 100. So it's going to be a 27% increase. All right, so you have a 27% decrease. So it would be a 27% decrease. Some people might write that as negative 27% decrease. And there you go. Just follow that formula. Change divided by the original times 100. And then I'll give you the percent change. Thank you for watching. Questions, comments below.